Gemini, I hardly knew her.
Yeah, that one, lad, yeah, that one.
Hi everyone, we are Won Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of everyday life, from how we communicate online to how we search for information. But with these tools comes new opportunities and new risks. In this video, we will explore how AI works, how to create more effective prompts, how we use AI to search for information, and how cyber criminals are using AI to create more convincing scams. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how AI works, how to use it effectively, and how to stay safe in an AI-driven world. Prompt engineering sounds technical, especially for my tiny human brain, but in reality, it's just all about being specific. A bad prompt would be something like write an email, as it is vague, generic, and not helpful. Here is a good prompt formula that you can follow step by step. Step 1. Role. Who is the AI acting as? Step 2. Task. What do you want done? Step 3. Context. Who is it for and why? Step 4. Tone. Is it professional, friendly, formal? And finally, step 5. Format. Is it an email, bullet points, or short paragraph? Here is an example prompt. You are a professional customer service assistant. Write a polite but confident email to a client explaining a project delay due to technical issues. Keep it professional and under 150 words. Same AI, better instructions, better results.
Here are some tips and tricks how to stay safe. First, keep your software updated. Outdated software is the easiest way in. On Windows, you can just open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates. On the Mac, head to System Preferences and select Software Update. A quick check can save you from a big headache. Use AI-powered antivirus. Traditional antivirus tools only looked for known threats, but modern tools use AI to spot unusual behavior, like a program suddenly encrypting all your files. That means they can catch brand new malware before it spreads. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Even strong passwords can be stolen. Two-factor authentication adds a second lock. For example, on Gmail, go to your Google account, open Security, and turn on two-step verification. Once it's set up, even if someone knows your password, they can't get it without your phone or backup code.
Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below.
Here are some practical steps to protect yourself. Pause before clicking. If an email urges you to click a link, respond quickly, take immediate action, or share sensitive information, stop and think. Check the sender. Hover over the sender's name to see the full email address. Does it match the company's official address that you know? If not, don't click it. Don't download attachments unless you're absolutely sure it's safe. Verify requests through another channel. For example, if your bank emails you, call them using the number in your bank card, not the one in the email. Use security tools. Many email filters now use AI themselves to detect suspicious activity. Make sure yours are turned on and updated, as these can filter out some of these attacks. AI can make phishing smarter, but with awareness and the right habits, you can stay one step ahead. Remember, if something feels off, trust your instincts. Legitimate companies will never pressure you into sharing personal details over email. When in doubt, verify through a trusted source.
AI is a bit of a confidence machine. It can be wrong and sound incredibly certain about it. Got a few friends like that as well.
Stops abruptly if I get it wrong because C, final answer, give me $1 million.
No, it's not the final answer. You just lost a lot of money.
Anyway, if the AI gives you a statistic or a fact, use the About This Result tool, the 3 dots next to the URL, and always ask the AI a counter prompt. If it tells you product A is the best, follow up with what are the most common complaints or failure points of product A. Force the AI to show you the other side of the data. AI is designed to be helpful, which sometimes means it tells you what it thinks you want to hear. If you ask, is product A the best for beginners, the AI will likely pull every positive marketing blurb it can find to say yes. Now let's look at a real world example. The perfect laptop. If you search, is the 2025 MacBook Air the best laptop for video editing? The AI is going to respond, yeah, it'll talk about the fast chip, the beautiful screen, the lightweight design, sounds perfect. But then if you immediately follow that up with, well, what about the thermal throttling issues and the RAM limitations of the 2025 MacBook Air for 4K video editing? Suddenly the perfect answer changes. Now Google backpedals, pulls from forums and technical reviews.
Artificial intelligence is changing the way we learn, work, and interact online. From writing effective prompts to searching for information more efficiently, AI tools can help us become more productive and informed. But with these great technologies comes great responsibilities. Understanding how AI works and how it can be misused helps us stay safe and make smarter decisions. The key takeaway is simple. Use AI thoughtfully, question the information you receive, and stay aware of potential digital risks. By developing these skills, we can take advantage of the benefits of AI and protect ourselves and our communities in an increasingly digital world. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experience learning digital skills in the comments below and tell us how Won Connect programs have helped you build your digital confidence. Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from Won Connect. Thanks for watching.